Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up avoid charging too hot using thermal management tips, beginner guide step by step clearly. To avoid charging your devices too hot, it's essential to manage their thermal environment effectively. Start by familiarizing yourself with the recommended operating temperatures for your device. Most devices perform optimally between 20 to 25 degrees Celsius. Next, identify a suitable charging location that remains cool and well ventilated. Avoid placing your device on soft surfaces like bedspreads or couches during charging, as these can trap heat. Consider using a hard, flat surface, such as a desk or table, for better heat dissipation. If you're charging your device outdoors, avoid direct sunlight and opt for shaded areas. Another important step is to remove any cases or covers while charging. These can insulate heat and prevent proper cooling. Make sure to check the charging cable and adapter for quality. Using lower quality electronics can cause excess heat generation. Switch to a certified charger and cable recommended by the manufacturer. While charging, keep your device updated with the latest software. Updates often include optimizations for battery management and thermal management. Monitor any apps that might be running during charging, as resource-intensive tasks can increase heat levels. Close any unnecessary programs or applications to reduce workload. Consider using features such as battery saver mode, if available, during charging. If you notice your device getting too hot, pause charging and allow it to cool down. Lastly, long-term storage of devices should be performed in a cool, dry place. This helps maintain battery health and decreases the chance of overheating during future charges. By following these thermal management tips, you can help ensure a safer and more efficient charging experience. Implement these practices to prolong the life of your devices and keep them running smoothly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.